Madrangka with a catching shit, but that is an air ball. Nice recovery by Labrador. Jersey number 3, Bakun. Oh, the layup with the extra basket and one. Jersey number 8, Mortona looking his companion Cesar with a backdoor cut with a two-handed deck of Cesar. Now with a corner 2. Camara on the rainbow line. We have a tackling rebound against everyone. Aguara with a play. And there is an extra basket and one. Rebound by Corona. Corona by corner 3 points. Okay, very good from ang ball. Okay, kaliit kong turn off sa flash sa cellphone sa nag-take ng video para Sega. So, mid-range jumper, basket is in. Spin in the corner. Sega. Cross-leg basket goal. Nag-rating mo na. Lead out by 43 downs pa scoring Gasca. To Barcenas. To Madrangka. There is a 3 points by Madrangka. Here's the number 15 for Campo. Back to Tony Campo. There is a 3 points by Tony Campo. Here's the number 43 Camara. Corner pass. Catching to 3. Rebound by Gataro. Here's the recovery of the ball by Camara. Hit for 2 points. Here's number 2. Gataro. Down to Cesar. King of Loyola. Back to Picon. There's the mid. Offensive rebound. Cesar inside. There's the Cesar with the defense. There's the ball. Here comes the Gasca, corner pass. Barcenas stuck to the closeout. Barcenas stuck to the mid-range. There is a basket again. Here's the number 52, Gataro. For Picon. Here comes the Cesar to Picon. Corner pass. This is the fake. Back to Picon. Picon in the mid-range area. Barcenas signaling his teammate. Down pass to Aguara. Corner pass. Madrangka with a wide open 3. Rebound by Loyola. Loyola on the backboard. Forward pass to Gataro. Corner pass. We have this pass to Madrangka. Touch the closeout. Madrangka with the hand of the Camara. Hit for 2 points. The corner pass. Back to Gataro. Hesitation. Tony Campo on the corner. Has a short 3. Barcenas on the line. That is it out of bounds. Continue the ball game. Gasca. Barcenas. Gasca. Pass to Madrangka on the 3. Here comes the battle of the ball between Gataro, and we have a jump ball. Here's the number 9, Gasca. On the drive, stop to the mid-range area, nothing but net. Pass, Gataro. That's it, that is a 3 points by Picon. Gasca with the half-court defense of Loyola. Gasca on the drive, off the glass. Rebound by Gataro, forward pass. Picon. Hit comes to Barcenas. Serving the floor for Team Malapatan. Kick out to Aguara. Hand up to Gabon with a quick 3. But that is an air ball to Loyola. Gataro now center step. Barcenas with the defense of Gataro. 3 on the defense. We have a call by the referee. Pass to Picon, corner pass to Cesar. Here comes the defense of Aguara. Cesar working inside. Ratas with a nice on the next one of 2 hit board. Jersey number 9. Gasca on the drive. On the glass is hit by the answer of us. Here comes the center, Camarong, corner pass in goal. That is a 3 points. Using the screen of Aguara, bounce was to Camara. Nice deflecting the ball by Camarong, Cesar in the backcourt. Pass to Loyola, back to the closeout, back to Cesar. Basket is hit. Barcenas. Here comes the Barcenas up to the rainbow line. Aguara with a footwork. Nice defense by Cesar. Camarong on the pass away. But that is setting up. Barcenas forward pass. Akad in the corner 3. There is a 3 points by jersey number 7. Jersey number 8. Cesar turnover. James will go for the steal. We have a call by the referee. Akad in the corner with a step back. That is short. Camarong collect the rebound. Here comes the Camarong 3 wearing jersey number 2 with a green jumper of Camarong. Barcenas with a screen of Camara. Rebound by Camarong. Fortuna. 3 on the situation of jersey number 26. Barcenas. Bounce pass to Aguara with the defense of Cesar. In for 2 points. Okay, there is no good to Camara with the defense of Cesar. That is short. This is number 10. Fortuna, this is the job set to the right now play. Rebound by Malacos. Malacos forward pass to Akad. Akad on the layup. Basket is good. Jersey number 26 Montes. That is a wobbling by on the dribble. Using the screen of Elmas up to the rainbow line. In and out. Cesar isolation run. Peter on the basket. In the defense of Fortuna, this is the screen of Elma on the drive. We have a battle of rebounds. Cesar gets the rebound, set around the shot. Cesar back to the defense. That is the time for the first quarter. Score 21-30 in favor of Team Malumon. Jersey number 9 in Gasca. Aguara with the defense of Locos. Attack to the mismatch. Aguara working inside. Jersey number 8 Fortuna. Okay, we have a safe ball position. Locos. Drop pass of Fortuna. That is the turnover. The ball position is back to the team Malapatan. Ningasca on the drive. And there's a call by Ningasca. Labrador, kick out Aguara with a hesitation drive, using his footwork for the feed away. Basket is good with the highlight of Aguara. Jersey number 8, Fortuna, back to Fortuna. That is enough. Darling is made for a play. With the defense, Ningasca, pick and back play. Get for 2 points by Camara. Jersey number 9 on the backcourt, forward pass. Locos in the fade. In the one and the floater. Forward pass, Madranka with a catch and shoot, but that is an air ball. Nice recovery by Labrador. Jersey number 3 with a one-hander down. That is the first that's not for the team on the Patay. Off the glasses of the answer for Fortuna. Jersey number 20, Madranka. Aguara with a mismatch defense. Aguara with a massive rebound. But here comes the Cesar with the defense of Ningasca. Almost with a massive for a basket and one. Bounce pass to Camara. Hesitation pass Madranka with a turnaround. Pull-up jumper by Madranka. Here comes Zana. Crossword pass to Fortuna. Catches the 3. Forward pass to Barcenas. Naulog pass to Jamal. That is a connection. Looking is convenient. Pull up PP with a jump step. Corner pass to Fortuna with a big step up three. It's a 3 points for Donna. Jersey number 43. Camara with a spin. Offensive rebound by Camara Mandramka. On the drive, off the glass. Rebound by Lopez for Donna. On the glass. Barcenas take time. Should lag down the man on the deep three by Barcenas. Says the import of Team Malumon. Down pass to Camara. Here comes the cut of Pulido. But there's a block. Forward pass. Camara on the drive. There's a block by Cesai. Lopez on the dribble. Pass to Jana. That is a quick. Barcenas with a crossover. That is a 2 points. Bana with the defense of Barcenas. With a contested three. Offensive rebound by Cortona. Corner three. Cortona. Ningasca with a high post screen of Camara. Ningasca off the glass is good. Here comes Cesar using the time to black down to play. There's a moment. Nice no good. Barcenas collect the rebound. Barcenas forward pass. Pulido. Here's the number 26 of Barcenas. Ningasca with a catch and shoot. It's a 3 points. Cesar in the high post area. With the defense of Camara. Nice neglecting the ball by Bagon at the back. 3-on-3 situation. Loud pass. Cesar with a counter steal. Cesar on the right to Grupo. Right off the jumper. Rebound by Barcenas. There's a foul of referee. Back to Ningasca. Ningasca with a quick three. Here comes the battle rebound to Moricampo. Moricampo hesitation run to the defense of Ningasca. Cesar to Grupo. 2 points. And kick out of Magon. That is a quick pass behind the back pass of Ningasca with a crossover. Camara on the rainbow line. We have a battle of rebound. Offensive rebound. Aguara with a fake. And there is an extra basket at one. On the high post area. One of the situation to be Camara and Cesar. For the team Malapatan, corner pass to Magon, catch and shoot three. Rebound by Loyola. Loyola, jersey number 11 on the left. Here comes to Loyola. Bounce pass to Loyola. Moricampo to Loyola. Cesar with the defense of Camara. Turnover and steal by Ningasca. Ningasca with a Pinoy step. Jersey number 3. Side. We have a battle of the ball. Here comes the battle inside. We have a battle of import. Loyola will be against Ningasca. Should let down to play. We have a double team. Bagon. On the layup with the extra basket and one. Nice. Last 5 seconds. That is the time for the second quarter for the team Malapatan Ningasca to Barcenas. Barcenas using the crossover with the high post screen. On Camara corner pass to Magon. Back to Camara. Stop to the mid-range area for the pull-up jumper. Jersey number 11, Loyola. Loyola signaling his teammate with a screen with Cesar. Loyola on the run, kick out of Katanong, corner pass. It's a 3 points by jersey number. Marcela at the same time. Now in the corner 2. Tony Campo, Loyola, wearing jersey number 11. Shetland down to 8. We have a turnover. James Mamon on the layup. Jersey number 15. Okay, acknowledging the arrival of our Honorable Mayor, Victor James Yap Sr., together with his wife, the barangay captain of Pagkakawal on the corner. With the defense of Nataro. The outspace Nataro for the recovery of the ball. Cesar on the run, attacks in the mismatch, but that is an out of bounds. Jersey number 34, take time with the defense of Camara. Here comes the cut by Nataro inside. Camara. Down to Salagana with the defense of Nataro. Rebound by Cesar. Nataro on the run, down was a big goal with a high arcing off the glass. We have a putback by Nataro. Engasca. Bounce pass to Barcenas. Barcenas, isolation drive. King Yabo on a corner pass to Pamola. That's the close out. We have the back of the lines. Recovery by Camara. Loyola attacks in the closer. Stops in the mid-range area, but in it. Number 26, Barcenas. Camara. Madraka with the turn around midway. Forward pass. Big goal with a slow-mo. Madranka. Here comes Madranka. Camara with the defense of Pantaro. Nice block by Cesar. Big goal with the defense of Engasca. Basket is given by Big goal. Senas. With the defense of Nataro. Hesitation drive by Senas. There's for defense of Engasca. Here's number 8 Mortona looking his companion Cesar with a backdoor cut with a 2-handed dunk of Cesar. Jersey number 9 Engasca with clean-up 3. Nataro forward pass, counter steal. Jersey number 26 Barcenas. Tuaka catches the 3. It's a 3 points. Here comes to Mortona on a deep 3. No Barcenas. Shetland down to 14. Camara. One on defense with Cesar. Again for 2 points by Camara. Tom Pipi wearing jersey number 12. Hand up to Nataro. Totore Campo with a fake. Nataro to Fortuna, drop pass to Cesar. Nataro for the reverse. Serving the block for Team Alabama, the apat. With the defense of Tony Campo. Nice down by Barcenas. Camara, mid-range jumper. Basket is good by the import. Fortuna. Crossword pass to Nataro to Cesar. Back to Nataro with the defense of Elba. Nataro. That is a turnover. With the defense of Tony Campo. With a high post 3. With a contested 3. It's a 3 points. Barcenas. Satan is now alive. Fortuna. With the defense of Engasca. Fade away. We have the battle of rebound. Akan collect the rebound. Barcenas. On the run. Loud pass inside. Akan for 3. We have the battle of rebound. Tony Campo. Here comes to Tony Campo. On the run with a long take of Nataro for the 2 points. To Elba. Back to Engasca. Shetland down to 8. Nataro collect the rebound. Forward pass for Fortuna with a layup. Good for 2 points. Down to 5. That is a with an extra basket and 1. That is still good. Offensive rebound again. Tony Campo. Jersey number 15, hand up to Cesar with a side step. King out of pin goal. With a high arcing 2 pin goal. Hey. Here comes to Barcenas. Jersey number 8, Fortuna. Backdoor cut by Cesar. Gasca. To Akad. With a fake. Corner 3. That's an air ball for the last 10 seconds. Torre Campo with a left-hand layup for the last 5 seconds. That is the time for the third quarter or score. 64-71. Torre Campo with the off the glass. That is the first basket. Here comes the Gasca. But as in the third over, Pingol, the only one off the glass is good. In a screen on Camara. To Camara with a pull-up jumper. Cesar isolation drive with a side-step layup of Cesar. To Camara. Nice ball rotation. Torre Campo with a fast break for the easy layup. Tuabuana, hand to Marcenas, hesitation drive, turnover again. Jersey number 15, Torre Campo. To Cesar, Shedlack down to 5, corner 3. It's a long 2, but Gasca with a high post screen of Camara, taking the play, Camara inside, oh, the last is hit by 1. Cesar, isolation drive. There's a goal again. Gasca, we see the screen of Elma, quick 3, that is short. Cesar, collect the rebound. Fortuna, bounce pass. Torre Campo, that is still good. Barcenas with a high post screen of Elma. Barcenas with a deep 3, it's a 3-point. This is number 8, Rogataro. Here comes Sugataro, take time with a quick crossover, attacks to the defense of Elma. That is a quick layup by Tataro. Barcenas, try his best with a break away. There's the ball. That is the game. Pass to Barcenas. Shedlack down to back. Barcenas with a step up 3. Cesar, Tataro pa Torre Campo, the fast break. That is an easy basket by Torre Campo. That is a big block by Camara. Gasca, deep down to Barcenas, point open 3 points. Barcenas, 8. Shedlack down to 5. Barcenas to Camara. Camara on the mid-range area. Cataro on the backcourt. Here comes Cataro. Cataro on the mid-range. Kick out to Fortuna. Fortuna with a wide open 3. We have a back-to-back 3. Gasca with a high post with a Camara. Akad with a fake. Wide open 3 for Akad. Jersey number 7, forward pass. Torre Campo with a reverse layup of Torre Campo. Barcenas. Jersey number 26. With a spin. Nice spin by Cataro. Jersey number 52, Cataro wasting the time. Shedlack down to bed. Here comes the cut of Cesar, that is too strong. Jersey number 9, Gasca. With a high post screen, forward pass by Barcenas with a contested 3. That is the third. Number 9, Gasca. In and out. Jersey number 11, Loyola collecting now. We have a full court pressure defense of Barcenas. No pause. Offensive rebound, Labrador. There is a goal. With for 2 points by Labrador. Shot lang mismo. Nakakala. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Okay, congratulations. Team Lumon with a final score of 79-98.